Hello everybody. I hope you're all doing well. And if for any of you who showed up for the live this afternoon, I'm sorry it was such a, I don't know what the deal was. I was on the computer, the camera, it's worked on the internet for other things, but recently I had a chat with my granddaughter and it wouldn't work. So we had to just chat, fingers. And I finally figured out I could, on Facebook I could listen to her. But when it went to me finding, I went to YouTube on my phone. I tried to open, I just don't know what I'm doing. But I don't know why I can't get that webcam to link up, because I've got to go through the utilities and find out what's going on. So I tried to leave a little text message on there for anybody who was trying to watch that I was having problems with my webcam. So we'll see if I can figure that out. Anyway, tonight we're going back to the birds. I got a bunch of these to do, and we had our grandson yesterday. Our granddaughter's doing DoorDash, and she says it's a really good job for her because she doesn't have to get involved with other people getting dramatic and all of that, and it brings in some extra income, which is what they needed. So anyway, we got to watch Howard. Howard hasn't been taking to men for a while now. And even his favorite uncle, Brandon. Now, they go through these stages. But when Grandpa started making noises, silly noises, just acting like a kid, and Howard started doing them back. And then he went down to the basement and brought up the red wagon. He'd cleaned it up for the kids just not long before that. Anyways, we brought that up, put a towel down in there so it wouldn't be so hard, and they were having a ball. It turned out to be a really fun afternoon, but I was exhausted after he went home. We're gonna make some birds. I think I might just do a robin. When you get 2 or 3 of them, they're out there playing together and just run around. I kind of like to have a little something to distinguish their wings sometimes. Don't have to be a whole lot, and it can even blend in. Well, there he is. There's our robin. There's still something missing. I'll have to look it up. Alrighty, now we're going to lose. We're going to use a lot of red. So we're going to make a cardinal. I like making cardinals. I like making blue jays too. Okay. I'm going to have him sitting in, or standing down in some grass. Just being a little ground bird. They stay in the winter too. They do not migrate. But I'm not putting snow on top of this green grass. We're just going to have him in a nice spring grass. He's probably going to eat some bugs. You need some bugs. And let's have here we go again. It's holding up the water. I'm going to make a simple bluebird. Just a simple little bluebird. Not a blue jay, just a bluebird. A cutie. give him a limb. Let him stand on a limb. And he's so lightweight, doesn't even have to be a big one. We'll have another piece of it coming out here. It's all just little limbs on a tree. Oops. When you're painting wet, when your paint is wet and you're painting on it, if you're not blending it, you need to make sure that you're not catching up the other color. I wasn't doing such a good job there for a minute. I forgot. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, we need I'm not unhappy with this one. Here we go. A nice cute little bluebird. So we've got a robin, a cardinal, and a bluebird tonight. And they all have their little sprigs of holly. But I had his head in the holly instead of his backside. So that's okay. That's okay. No, 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 no. Hopefully, in the end, this white to cover up that big head will not be noticed. May have to put just a little bit of brown back in, but well, I'm going to quit there before I make it worse. So we have a chubby cardinal and a cute bluebird And a red robin, which is only their bellies are red, so, but I suppose. I suppose. Okay, if we're gonna have a big beak, we're gonna have a big beak with a point. There. Almost. Okay. Oh, just about lost the battery, but not quite. Well, we are getting there, but we still have a long way to go on these birds. I might come back and do a little bit more watercolor tomorrow night. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of Christmas coming up, but I could do, you know, like, well, I can't do a snowman unless the rest of it around it is a different color. But I can do, you know, stockings and silver bells and silver and gold bells. So there's a lot of things we can do, but most importantly, I don't know which way I'll do that one. I would like to paint a nativity. I don't do well with the faces, so the faces probably won't have all of the, you know, they'll probably be flat faces, but still. Still, it will have this, it will have hopefully the, what am I trying to say? The reverence. Hopefully it'll still have that reverence that we look for. Anyway, I love you. Take care of yourselves. Smile and wave. We'll see you later. Good night.